Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Jess, the founder of Sallie Tomato, and welcome to the final day of our 2025 Hearth and Handcrafted Advent Box. Get ready to unwrap the grand finale of this special holiday box. Day 25, we bring you good tidings with our final Advent item. It's compact, stylish, and very functional. Add a touch of sophistication when you incorporate the items from day 23 and day 24. Thank you for joining us each day of the Advent Box. Your support and enthusiasm have made this experience truly special for all of us. From our family to yours, we wish you the very best holiday season. Today's reveal is a full pattern to complete the holiday sewing Advent Box. We have had several requests for a smaller wallet, so Kate on our team designed the Bertie wallet pattern to early release as a special project just for this box. This pattern provides instructions to make a polished, functional wallet that can be customized with your favorite fabrics and hardware collected throughout the box. It's beginner-friendly, yet allows for creative flair with several options to customize for how the wallet is carried. The Bertie wallet is the perfect little sibling to our Bella wallet pattern. This design is compact with modern features, making sure that it will become one of your favorite accessories. And if you're the kind of maker who likes everything to coordinate, the Bertie wallet fits in nearly every Sallie Tomato bag or becomes a clip-on accessory to any bag that features D-rings, O-rings, or rectangle rings. We hope that this final pattern inspires you to sew something beautiful to complete your Advent Box journey with pride. We truly hope you enjoyed this year's box. Our team loves developing these projects and products for you, and we hope that it added a little creativity to your holiday season. If you want to purchase the Sallie Tomato Advent Box, we've added a link below to join our newsletter group, so you'll be notified when the 2026 Advent Box releases. As always, we encourage you to share and show off your photos of your completed project. We would love to see your style. Use hashtag Sallie Tomato and hashtag Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media so we can see it. And if you liked this video, we would love for you to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Thank you so much for watching and following along with this unboxing series. From all of us here at Sallie Tomato, we wish you a happy holiday season.